Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be adding your Xbox into Google Home. So let's get started. First of all, let's just tap on Google Home, open that up. Once we open that up, we just have to go into our settings. So we're going to see our settings on the bottom right hand side. Well, it's not all the way in the bottom, just before your other stuff, right beside routines, you're going to see settings. So we're going to tap on settings. Once we are in our settings, all we have to do is just scroll down. You're going to see Works with Google. Tap on Works with Google. And up here, you're going to see Add Devices. Just tap up there. That's your first option. And from there, we're just going to type in Xbox. Or else we could just look for Xbox within the whole list, but it's just faster to do this. Tap on Xbox. It's going to take us to a login. From here, you just have to log in to your account. Once you log in, you should see something like this. Just tap on the bottom. You're going to see yes. And right now, it should say Xbox is linked. So it's fully linked. We can see that right now. Gents, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.